This resource will help you easily find the device port for your vehicle. For your safety, ensure your vehicle is turned off before you attempt to install your device. If you have difficulty bending over to access the port in your vehicle, please get assistance. First, you need to know what to look for. The port itself has a unique shape. Keep in mind, the port could be hidden under the dash, concealed behind a removable panel, or covered by a protective cap. When you find the port, there may be more holes on the face of the port than there are pins on the device. This is normal. When searching for the port, the most common area to look is below or around the steering wheel. Check under the dash or look for a panel covering the port. The second area to search is the middle console of your dashboard. Here you will likely find it behind a cover or behind a removable tray. The third is in or around the glove box area or under the passenger side dash. If you're having difficulty locating the port in any of these locations, you can consult your owner's manual. When you find it, align the device. It only fits one way. Slide it firmly into place. After the device lights turn on and off, wait 1 minute before turning on your vehicle's ignition. For ports that are behind a hinged panel, Velcro tape can be used to keep the port door open if it will not close with the device inserted. That's it. You're ready to go. Be sure to remove your device and store it in a safe place when you need to get your vehicle serviced.